Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a save a date template or save a date card on Evite. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Evite account, and it depends on what you want to actually achieve, but just on the search bar type save the date. So if it's a graduation, you can include graduation. If it's a birthday ceremony or party, you can also include any of the related keywords to your actual search. But save the date is more like a template that is used to mark the date, actually, for wedding, for any form of celebration, actually. So once you are here, you can scroll past the premium invitation if you do not want, or you're looking for a new one, a free one. So once you are here, just click on save the dates, click on the template that speaks to you best, and we are using the free template, so we do not have access to all of these other uh, sections here. So this is like this is a wedding. So this is Anna Hoffman and Tim Wong are getting married in Chicago, Saturday, September 8th. Formal invitations follow. Good. So once we are done with this, we can edit it to our choice, edit it and put the right text in all of these columns, and then once you are done, click on next for event details, where you can add the formal title of the event, actually, and you can also proceed to add the various guests you would like to um, add or invite. So once you are done with that, that is just it. You can now send it to any area you want to. So that is how to create save the date templates on Evite. If this video has been helpful to you guys in any way, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one.